Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then this is Momi. Today's video is about the most popular L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. This is a highly requested video by so many of you, but Alicia requested me almost 50 times for this foundation review. So in this video I will provide you shade guide for its 40 different shades according to different skin tone and undertone. So price of this foundation starts from $11 to $12, and in India it starts from rupees 780 to 1300 in Amazon. Now it's on sale, so you can purchase it now. You will get all the available shade in the video description. In Amazon you will get 11 shades, and in Nykaa you will get 5 shades of this foundation, I think. Another best thing about this foundation is it comes with SPF 25, so it's good for both day and nighttime makeup. Coming to its texture and skin type that suits best with it, it's really liquidy and runny, so this foundation is best for normal to oily skin. So I'm using this runny foundation with my concealer brush. The coverage of this foundation is medium to high, but you can build it by layering the foundation. My shade is golden beige. I found it easier to blend it with my favorite beauty blender. If you want, you can use any foundation brush instead of beauty blender. Coming to its staying power, it claims that it stays up to 24 hours, but I wear it for only 10 hours and it was still there on my skin. It doesn't clog my pores or settle into my fine lines. The packaging and shade numbers of this foundation are different in different countries. As you can see, the shade golden beige comes with the shade number of 460, but in India it comes with the shade number of 140. Though the shades are same, so don't be anxious, you can purchase it. Now coming to its shades and undertone. To determine your undertone, look at your wrist. If your veins are green, then you have warm or yellow undertone. If you can see blue or purple veins, then you have cool or pink undertone. If you can see both of these veins, then you have neutral undertone. Firstly, I'm gonna talk about pale white or very fair skin. If you have very fair skin with pink or cool undertone, you can use the shade Rose Pearl. If you have very fair skin with neutral undertone, you can use the shade Snow. If you have very fair skin with yellow or warm undertone, you can use the shade Pearl. Now coming to the fair skin range, fair skin with pink or cool undertone can use the shade Rose Ivory. Fair skin with warm or yellow undertone can use the shade Porcelain. Fair skin with true neutral undertone can use the shade Beige Ivory and Warm Ivory. Fair skin with pink dominant neutral undertone can use the shade Ivory, and fair to light skin with neutral undertone can use the shade True Beige. Now coming to the light skin tone range, light skin with yellow or warm undertone can use the shade Linen and Natural Rose. Though this shade is little bit orange for me, it doesn't have true yellow undertone. Light skin with pink or cool undertone can use the shade Ivory Buff and Rose Vanilla. Rose Vanilla is darker than Ivory Buff. Light skin with true neutral undertone can use the shade Vanilla. Now time for the medium skin tone. Medium skin with pink or cool undertone can use the shade Rose Beige. Medium skin with pink dominant neutral undertone can use the shade Radiant Honey. Medium skin with neutral undertone can use the shade Natural Buff. And medium skin with neutral olive undertone can use the shade Sand. Medium skin with peachy neutral undertone can use the shade Cool Sand. Light to medium or medium skin with warm or yellow undertone can use the shade Golden Beige. Medium skin with warm or yellow undertone can also use the shade Sun Beige, Radiant Sand, Radiant Sun and Toasted Almond. Here I'm showing you lighter to deeper tones. In these 4 shades, Toasted Almond has strong yellow undertone. Now coming to the medium dark skin range, medium dark skin with pink or cool undertone can use the shade Amber. Medium dark skin with yellow or warm undertone can use the shade Warm Almond and Golden Sun. Medium dark skin with strong yellow or warm undertone can use the shade Caramel and Honey Bisque. Medium dark skin with neutral undertone can use the shade Golden Amber and Toffee. Toffee has olive undertone. Medium dark skin with neutral undertone can use the shade Hazelnut. This has a little bit orange tone in it. Now coming to the dark skin tone range, dark skin with yellow or warm undertone can use the shade Copper, and Deep Golden. Deep Golden is darker than copper. Dark skin with neutral undertone can use the shade Maple, and dark skin with neutral red undertone can use the shade Sienna. Neutral red undertone means pink dominant neutral undertone. Now coming to the deep skin tone range, there are no shades in deep skin tone for yellow or warm undertone. You can use Deep Golden shade if you have deep skin tone with yellow undertone. It will be one shade lighter for you, but you will look better in it. Deep skin with pink dominant neutral undertone can use the shade Deep Amber. Deep skin with neutral undertone can use the shade Mahogany. This is a true neutral shade. Deep skin with pink or cool undertone can use the shade Espresso. The last and the deepest shade in this L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation is Ebony. This is a shade for deep skin with pink or cool undertone. So these are the all updated 40 shades of L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any queries, let me know in the comment section, or you can follow me on Instagram. If you like this foundation, or if you have any favorite foundation, please mention it in the comment section with your skin type. If it matches with mine, I will surely try it and give a helpful review. And lastly, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for instant video updates. And if you really get this video helpful, share it with your friends so that they can get their shades too. Thanks for watching the whole video. See you all on my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay pretty. Goodbye.